Welcome to the first annual Clicky Awards. The day has finally come to reveal what you, the viewer, has voted for as your favorite games in each category. These are your winners. Now, the nominees for the Game of the Year were Animal Crossing: New Horizons, HYRULE Warriors: Age of Calamity, The Last of Us Part 2, and Genshin Impact. 56 votes later, the winner is Animal Crossing: New Horizons. Check out all the final results in the link in the description, and see you next year for the Clicky Awards 2021.